President William Ruto Niwatongoesya Akenya Kutania Sikuku ya Jamhuri ya miongo 6 na ile Kuma Kenya Yeyosea Wiyathi Kyathi Kila Kyatwaiiwa Kiwanzani cha Mathau cha Nyayo Musyini wa Ilovi na Kuvikwa ni Atongoi Kauta na Makili Enenthi Ruto Niwatungia Muvea Anziliilya no na ala Mokitie Wiyathi Aiweta Ukumbau wa Atongoi Niw'o Uvikitye Kenya vau Joseph Kitheke na mauvu.
Saa inya na ndatika itano kiokoni cha umunthi President William Ruto notonyelele Kiwanzani cha Nyayo Musyini wa Ilovi kutongoesya mautanu ma kutania miaka 62 kuma nthi ya Kenya yekwatia Wiyathi kwi matuku 12 mwezi wa 12 mwakani wa 1963 ainene ya Kyathi ki Ruto niwatungia Muvea Atongoi ala masukumeiye nthi ya Kenya ikwatie Wiyathi Aiweta kana Ukumbau Niw'o Uvikitye Kenya vau Uvikitye na matambia ala mosye mayaini kwa undu wo indini kwa undu wa uni wa nthi ino.
When he took the oath of office, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta warned us that independence would mean nothing if it did not improve the daily lives of ordinary citizens. Today, we gather not just to mark a date on the calendar, but to honor a legacy written in sacrifice, courage, and unbreakable resolve. A legacy forged by men and women who stared imperial power in the face and declared with unshakable conviction that Kenya would be free.
Ingini wawetakana na ichina Atongoi ya kunyamaua maya kwengo indi maendeye na ukwatana matakusisya misingi ya ukabila kana ndeni kwikije Kenya ni yakwata Wiyathi.
The road to our nationhood was carved by the unbreakable spirit of our freedom fighters, men and women who refused to bow to the humiliation of colonial rule. But what no empire could crush was their determination, resolve, and the unity of purpose. Across ethnicities, across regions, across class and creed, they became a force history itself could neither silence nor stop.
President Ruto niwatumia mautanu wa Jamhuri kumukathi ola wa minister munene murutia Raila Odinga nundu wa kwiyumya kukitia demokrasia na ila Akenya mamitani ya nginya umunthi.
This generation of courage produced towering figures whose sacrifice expanded the democratic space we enjoy today. Foremost among them was the late Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, a stalwart of our country's democratic journey, who left us just under 2 months ago. Raila devoted his life to the pursuit of freedom, justice, and peaceful coexistence. His courage, resilience, and unwavering belief in the power of the people shaped defining chapters of our national story and inspired generations to believe that change is possible.
Mautanu ama mwaka uno unokelelo cha mwaka na theme ni kukunikila matambia ala Kenya ikunite sektani ya utalii nimevikitwe ni President wa Ghana John Dramani Mahama na hulani wa emweni mwene wa ndai ya Kyathi Minister munene wa Uganda Robina Nabaja, munini wa President wa Burundi Prosper Bazombanza, munini wa President wa Kenya Kithure Kindiki, Governor wa Ilovi Johnson Sakaja, Minister wa utalii Rebecca Miano kati wa Atongoi yengi.
Today we reintroduce Kenya to the world through a tourism manifesto.
This generation will never pay fully the sacrifice and the debt of those who paid the ultimate price and sacrifice for the independence of our country.
I bring you warm greetings from your brother, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He was unable to come because Uganda is undergoing an electoral process.
On this day, we pay respect to the memory of our forebears who fought for our freedom, and we do not take their sacrifice for granted.
Joseph Kithangili vote Vilingi wa Muvea, Mutongoi TV.